Burps clips complete. I'm gonna be in the next video, boys.
When I went in and I realized the amount of farts there was in there, I was like, I'm out of here. Oh, that went up my nose.
Oh my god, 10 out of 10.
Mostly in the evening PS2 though.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Is there any penalty?
Yeah, but what if I told you? Wait, I'm.
Silver hair, but
Who cares?
I care. I had 2 work tonight.
So let's go right now.
oh, sorry. Yeah, the things people do for abs. Whoa, every time I do that, it makes me burp. I'm like a baby. Sorry.
How long did I work on this game? Fucking 20 years? What?
Hey, just slow down,
Yeah.
Cam.
Okay.
Wow.
Later, but I kind of want to do Life is Strange. Because I think that would be really fun.
Delicious.
I love that place. Yes. I'm sorry. I appreciate it. It probably smells so bad.
Oh, it's an emote of you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Opposition leader Guaido was arrested or something, and then it was like a oh Jesus Christ, sorry.
Bum bum.
Give me my money.
Oh, did you guys... That burp, oh my gosh.
I'm a lady. Ooh.
Let's go to IHOP near S-Fan. What the fuck? Ew, dude!
Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Yes, nailed it. $80?
The Dark Moon Fair. Nice.
Can I stream that area?
Sorry about that. Okay, chill out.
I'm elated and gassy.
Yeah, it's Perrier. It makes you burp so much.
And she fought like a man too, so she's a real dream girl for me.